And now it's time for Silly Songs of Lily. The parts of the show where Lily comes out and sings a very silly song. Lily is late to work because she lost her hairdryer, and she needs to style her hair. And it's because she was spending time with her amazing boyfriend. Oh, where is my hairdryer? Oh, where is my hairdryer? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it now? Where's my hairdryer? Josh Benford enters the scene. He looked embarrassed when he looked at the lace wet hair in her face, and then he said, I saw a hairdryer over there. Over there is my hairdryer. Over there is my hairdryer. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it now? No! Where's my hairdryer? John Milton enters the scene. He looked very embarrassed when he looked at Lay's crazy wet hair in her face, and then said, why do you need a hairdryer? Because your hair is so wavy. Wavy hair for my hairdryer. Wavy hair for my hairdryer. Wavy hair everywhere. Wavy hair, hair wavy. No hair, nowhere, wavy hair. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it now? Where's my hairdryer? Ryan enters the scene. He looks very embarrassed at the sight of Lay's crazy hair, and that's all over her face. Lily, that's a hairdryer of yours. Well, you use it so you do really need some. And your crazy hair is long, it's very wavy. I gave it to Stephanie because she has really beautiful and very gorgeous hair. No hair for my hairdryer. No hair for my hairdryer. My poor hairdryer. No hair, not fair, so crazy hair. No crazy hair. No hair, wavy hair. No hair, crazy. My little hairdryer. Having Lily says this, friendly Stephanie enters the scene. They look very shocked and the same because they have crazy and wavy hair. Thank you for the beautiful hairdryer. Take care of my hairdryer. Take really great care of my hairdryer. Take really excellent care of my poor hairdryer. Please take care, Grace hair, really not fair. Always take care of your beautiful new hairdryer. It's laying her crazy, wet, and untamed hair lived happily ever after.